19 Health Benefits of Apple Cider Vinegar plus How to Drink It. Lately, everybody seems to be saying apple cider vinegar is amazing and it has so many health benefits. I want to know why and what those benefits are, specifically. Here are all the reasons why everyone is drinking apple cider vinegar, plus helpful tips for how to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. Apple cider vinegar is everywhere. Everybody talks about it, and everybody seems to love it. Is this just a new hype, or is apple cider vinegar actually amazing? Are there actual health benefits to apple cider vinegar? First of all, there's nothing new here. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a natural remedy for health problems for a very long period of time. In fact, it's an ancient remedy. It seems that we're becoming more aware of those benefits these days, but they were always there. It's a rediscovery, if you will. More people are trying to improve their lives by making healthier and more natural choices these days, and that's why you'll see apple cider vinegar pretty much anywhere there's a conversation about health, food, and natural remedies. So I'll get my POV right out here. I think apple cider vinegar, aka ACV, is amazing. Seriously, amazing. And the majority of apple cider vinegar's health benefits are supported by science, so it's not just a marketing ploy. However, despite being so amazing, apple cider vinegar won't work miracles. And it won't replace a balanced diet and exercise. It promotes health and it helps you maintain it, but drinking apple cider vinegar won't have a major impact unless you're making other steps towards your health. No remedy can do that. Moderation is always key. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from apples. Duh, right? More specifically, it's fermented apple juice. To make apple cider vinegar, apples are crushed and exposed to yeast. By doing this, the natural sugar from the apple is fermented over time and turned into alcohol, like you would do with wine. Sounds like making apple cider, right? Yeah, because the process is similar. The difference is that apple cider vinegar is fermented twice, once to make alcoholic cider and a second time to make vinegar. Why do we drink apple cider vinegar? As crazy as it may sound at first, drinking apple cider vinegar will bring you many health benefits, which will be discussed in detail in just a second. Aside from health benefits, apple cider vinegar also reduces cravings by inducing satiety, which means apple cider vinegar is great for weight loss or for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Not only that, but apple cider vinegar is filled with beneficial nutrients. Basically, apple cider vinegar rocks. Apple cider vinegar's health benefits. So what about those health benefits of apple cider vinegar? This almost magical vinegar can do many things for your health. Let's start with a list and then get into more details with the ones that will help you to live a healthier life, okay? Apple cider vinegar. 1. It is a natural laxative and can improve digestion. 2. Reduces blood sugar levels. 3. It boosts insulin sensitivity. 4. Increases satiety and aids in weight loss. 5. Tummy fat. 6. Lowers cholesterol. 7. Lowering blood pressure and improving heart health. 8. It prevents and decreases the risk of getting cancer and slows down the growth of cancer cells. Nutrient-rich apple cider vinegar. Impressive, right? But wait, there's more. Apple cider vinegar is also a nutritional powerhouse. That would explain some of the health benefits. Let's take a closer look at apple cider vinegar's nutritional composition to see what makes it so special. Apple cider vinegar contains 1. Magnesium. 2. Iron. 3. Phosphorus. 4. Manganese. 5. Amino acids. 6. Antioxidants. 7. Only has 3 calories per tablespoon. Drinking apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Most people use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, but they don't know the rest of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. That's because apple cider vinegar has been used as an aid in weight loss for ages. Several studies have concluded that using apple cider vinegar for weight loss actually works. They also found that it works even without dietary changes. However, when drinking apple cider is combined with a healthy lifestyle, the results are truly impressive. So, How does this happen? Most people overeat because they don't feel full. Apple cider vinegar increases satiety, your feeling of fullness, and that's very helpful for staying on track with your healthy diet. Especially at the beginning of your weight loss journey, when you need a little bit of help to start and to stay on track. For more on apple cider vinegar and weight loss, read this post. Apple cider vinegar and diabetes. When it comes to apple cider vinegar and diabetes, there are a few things you should know. Apple cider vinegar is great for diabetes prevention. So, if you have a family history of diabetes, you should consider drinking apple cider vinegar to decrease your risk. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels when one is fasting, not eating, which is incredibly beneficial for people who have difficulty regulating their own blood sugar levels, like those who have diabetes. However, this won't replace medication. A healthy diet and exercise are always recommended for people with diabetes. If you have diabetes and take insulin or prescription drugs, you should talk to your doctor before drinking apple cider vinegar because your potassium levels can drop too much. Apple cider vinegar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Other common uses for apple cider vinegar are to lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. What's the deal with apple cider vinegar cholesterol and apple cider vinegar blood pressure? Apple cider vinegar aids in the regulation of renin, a hormone produced by your kidneys that regulates blood vessel constriction and dilation. When the blood vessels constrict, the blood pressure rises. Apple cider vinegar keeps the vessels relaxed, and that means blood pressure won't rise. As for apple cider vinegar helping with cholesterol, drinking apple cider vinegar before a meal lowers cholesterol. Basically, studies have shown that apple cider vinegar reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases HDL, good cholesterol, due to its natural antioxidants. How apple cider vinegar helps with digestion. As I already mentioned, apple cider vinegar improves digestion. Drinking apple cider vinegar for digestion can help. 1. To get rid of heartburn. 2. Reduce bloating. 3. Improve digestion overall. Let me just say that discomfort and pain are not normal. When we experience pain and discomfort after a meal, we should listen to our bodies and realize that something is not exactly right. Maybe we ate too much, or maybe our digestive system doesn't work properly. Proper digestion means proper acid levels in the stomach so the nutrients in our food can be absorbed. When there's not enough acid, food is not properly broken down and the nutrients are not assimilated, which can lead to digestive issues like the ones I mentioned. Or more serious ones. Apple cider vinegar kills bacteria. Did you know apple cider vinegar kills bacteria? In fact, apple cider vinegar was used for disinfecting wounds and treating fungus back in the day. Because apple cider vinegar can easily kill bacteria, it was and still is an excellent way to treat and prevent infection. It also inhibits bacteria, like E. coli, from spoiling food, so that's why it's so often used as a food preservative. It's also natural and better than artificial preservatives. So awesome! Cancer and apple cider vinegar. When it comes to apple cider vinegar and cancer, it has been shown that apple cider vinegar can help in cancer prevention because it promotes health. There are many factors and causes of cancer, and we still have a long way to go in terms of prevention and treatment, but what we do know is that apple cider vinegar can reduce the risk of cancer and can slow down cancer cell tumor growth. That being said, apple cider vinegar shouldn't replace treatment for someone diagnosed with cancer or a healthy lifestyle for those who want to reduce the risk of developing different types of cancer. Using apple cider vinegar for skin and hair. Aside from the health benefits of apple cider vinegar, using apple cider vinegar can also improve skin appearance and hair health. Woot! See? Apple cider vinegar is indeed amazing. Told ya. Why is apple cider vinegar great for skin and hair? 1. It treats acne and reduces its prevalence. 2. It treats and relieves sunburn. 3. It has anti-aging properties. 4. It improves hair health. 5. It prevents hair tangles. 6. Reduces frizz in the hair. 7. It seals the hair cuticles and helps the hair retain moisture. 8. It treats dandruff. Is there anything that apple cider vinegar cannot accomplish? I don't think so. However, it's important to note that it's not recommended to apply apple cider vinegar to the skin without diluting it in water first. Popular ways to drink apple cider vinegar. Since there are so many health benefits of apple cider vinegar, you're probably considering drinking apple cider vinegar right out of the bottle to benefit from its amazing properties. But let's first discuss how to drink apple cider vinegar. First off, look for the unfiltered and organic type, because that's the best type. The Bragg's Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar I have pictured in this post is my favorite, but there are many other options as well. Potential side effects of drinking apple cider vinegar. Apple cider is rather harmless, but too much of anything can cause problems. Also, there are certain instances when apple cider vinegar is not at all recommended. For example, if you have a stomach ulcer or kidney problems. As a reminder, drinking apple cider vinegar without diluting it is not at all recommended because apple cider vinegar is acidic and it can cause 1. Tooth decay and tooth enamel deterioration. 2. When drinking more apple cider vinegar than recommended, or when you already have low potassium levels. 3. Indigestion. Excessive consumption of apple cider vinegar can result in indigestion. 4. This may sound counterintuitive since apple cider vinegar can improve digestion, but for someone who has ulcers or acid reflux, apple cider vinegar will only worsen the symptoms. 5. Another counterintuitive one is that while apple cider vinegar can soothe sunburn, it can also burn your skin if applied undiluted. 5. Make sure you add only a little bit of apple cider vinegar to water before applying it to the skin. 5. For sunburn, use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in your bath water.